profit and loss. Profit is nothing but selling price minus the cost price, whereas the loss is cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage is nothing but selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100, whereas loss percentage is cost price minus selling price divided by cost price into 100. So one thing to note that whether it's a profit or loss, it is always calculated on the cost price. So profit and loss are always calculated on cost price. Let's take an example of a shopkeeper to understand profit, loss, discount, all the concepts in details. Suppose a shopkeeper bought a jeans from a wholesaler at rupees 500 and he put his own price tag of 1000 rupees. So the cost price is 500 rupees, whereas the mark price is 1000 rupees. So we say that it's a markup by 500 rupees. Whatever the amount that is extra on cost price and written on the jeans is termed as markup. And we say that it's a markup by 100%. So markup is also calculated on cost price. Cost price, markup percent, mark price. Then the terminology comes discount. So if the mark price is 1000 rupees and discount is 20%, what is the selling price then? So we always calculate discount on mark price. So 1000 minus 20% of 1000, that is 200. Selling price will be 800. So cost price 500, selling price 800, mark price 1000, discount 20%. So cost price is 500, profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price, which is a 300, selling price 800, discount 200, mark price 1000. So cost price plus profit is selling price, which is also equal to mark price minus the discount amount. So what is the profit percentage? So profit percent, we have to calculate selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So profit of 300 over 500. 300 over 500 is 60%. Let's take more examples on this to understand these concepts better. You can pause the video and try to solve these 6 questions. Obviously, we have already discussed the first question in the previous slide. Let's look at question number 2. Cost price is given as 700, profit is given as 30%. So we calculate profit on cost price. So profit will be 30% of 700, which is 210. So profit 210, and selling price is what? Selling price is cost price plus profit. So 700 plus 210, which is going to be a 910. So we are done with second example. Let's discuss question number 3, where profit is given as 20%, selling price is given as 54,000, discount is given as 10%. Remember, we give a discount on mark price. So mark price multiplied by 0.9 will give me selling price. Now, how do I get this 0.9? Do refer to my percentage basic sessions. In that we have discussed what is percentage as a multiplier. 10% कम करने के बाद सेलिंग प्राइस मिल रहा है. सो मार्क प्राइस को 10% कम करना है, यानी मार्क प्राइस को 0.9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो मार्क प्राइस is selling price divided by 0.9, which is 54,000 divided by 0.9, which comes out to be a 60,000. So mark price is 60,000, selling price 54,000. Obviously a 10% of discount on mark price, which is 6,000, is given. Okay, so first thing we are done. Now let's look at the other part. It's a profit of 20%. So can I say that cost price into 1.2 is equal to selling price? So cost price is nothing but 54,000 divided by 1.2, which will give me a 45,000. Please cross check. 45,000, 20% profit, that is 9,000 ka profit, and 45,000 plus 9,000 is 54,000. Now let's look at question number 4. Profit is of 750 and profit percentage is 15%. Good question. So profit is always calculated on cost price, that is 15% of cost price is 750. So cost price is what? 15 over 100 into cost price is 750. So this is a 1, this is a 5. So cost price will be 15 to 100, which is a 5,000. So 5,000 is my cost price, profit 750, 15% that is. So selling price has to be 5,750. Let's solve question number 5. Profit, we don't have to calculate. It's given as profit is 25%, selling price is 2,000. We have to find cost price. So simply cost price multiplied by profit of 25%. So into 1.25 is equal to 2,000. 25% ऐड करने के बाद कॉस्ट प्राइस पर अगर हम उसका 25% ऐड कर दें तो हमें सेलिंग प्राइस मिल रहा है. So cost price multiplied by 5/4 is a 2,000. So cost price comes out to be 8,000 divided by 5, which is 1,600. You can cross check. 25%, that is half of half. 1,600 ka half 800, uska half 400. So if I add 400, I get a 2,000. Now the sixth question, which says that if I bought an article at cost price of 450, profit of 50% after giving a discount of 50%. So what should be the mark price? 450 is cost price, profit 50% भी कमाना है, discount भी 50% देना है. So how do we calculate this? I know cost price into 1.5 is my selling price, right? Profit of 50%. ये 50% आप कॉस्ट प्राइस पर ऐड कर दोगे तो आपको सेलिंग प्राइस मिल रहा है, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पर डिस्काउंट भी देना है. सो मार्क प्राइस इनटू 0.5 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू द सेलिंग प्राइस. 50% डिस्काउंट दिया मार्क प्राइस पे तो ही सेलिंग प्राइस मिला. नाउ आई कैन सी दैट ऑन बोथ द राइट हैंड साइड देयर इज अ सेलिंग प्राइस, सो आई कैन इक्वेट दिस. कॉस्ट प्राइस इनटू 1.5 is equal to mark price into 0.5. So it's a 1, it's a 3. If I multiply cost price with a 3, I get a mark price. So 450 into 3 is 1,350. So my mark price has to be a 1,350.